Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. So today you're going to be joining me to the market. I'm going to be food prepping today, so you're going to be joining me. First of all, we're going to go get some money, then we'll go to the market and do some shopping. We're going to the local market today, then we'll come back home and we're going to get cooking. So let's go. So I am back from the market. The first thing I'm going to do is to blend my tomato, pepper, tatashe and onion so I can start making my stew. I'm starting with the easy stuff first. So now my stew is just about ready. The second thing I'm going to be making is my oha soup. So guys, instead of buying the cocoyam and cooking and pounding, I decided to go for the cocoyam flour instead. It's easier and it's just a better shortcut. So that will cook before the final step, which is where I add my oha leaf, and I am done with the oha soup. So the next thing I'm going to be making is vegetable soup. I'm going to be using leftover tomato that I fried a while ago that I had in the fridge. For this particular soup, I use ugu and water leaf. And just as simple, my vegetable soup is ready. Next thing is my okra and ogbono soup. And I am done for now. Just for now, because I have other work to do later. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I have tons of dishes to get to and a kitchen to clean. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.